If you want to cancel your Skyscanner free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page or within a drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate subscription details. In the account settings, find the section that details your subscriptions or trial status. This area should provide information about your current plan and the free trial period. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Look for an option to cancel your free trial. This may be labeled as Cancel Trial and Subscription or something similar. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide feedback or confirm your decision. Ensure you receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Skyscanner free trial before it converts to a paid subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Skyscanner's customer support for assistance.